Hello, I'm Daniel upon Videos Tech Support, and I'm going to go over setting up a schedule. Schedules are kind of tricky. Let's go ahead and stop the monitoring, and I'm going to turn off my system idle protection. Okay. Now we have the icon right here for schedule. We'll just click on that and go to Schedule Edit. Let's say I do not want to record, let's see here, let's say Saturday and Sunday I'm always home. I just don't want to record Saturday and Sunday, so I'm going to go from, let's see here, how does this exactly work? This has to do with math, and I'm not good with math. Okay, so I'm just not even going to select those. So I'm going to go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I work from 10 a.m. to about 7 o'clock p.m. Which should be 1900 hours of military time. So I want this to record only on motion, and I only want it to record cameras number 1 and 2. I want to be able to remote view this too, so I'm just going to go ahead and go to Add to Schedule. Now, for every time that there's a schedule added, or for every record time, you have to have a non-record time. Let me go ahead and get rid of the telephone and pager and the output there and go to Modify Schedule. So this is only going to record and remote view. So now I want to go from 1900 hours to 10 o'clock a.m. And I want to take off the record, and I want to go to Modify Schedule. Whoops, I'm sorry. Actually, I wanted to do 10 a.m. to 1900 hours p.m. And then I want to record. I don't want those, but I want remote viewing. And then I want to select right there and go to Add to Schedule. And let's modify this. Let's go ahead and add those cameras in there just so there's no conflict. Modify Schedule. So I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and I have 10 a.m. to 1900 hours, which would be to about 7 o'clock p.m. and I'm going to have that record on motion. But while I'm home, I just want to have remote. If remote view is not selected, you will not be able to remote view. So it has to be 24-hour schedules. So let's go into Sunday and Monday, or Saturday and Sunday. Let's say I'm usually gone between 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock. So I have 1300 hours, 1400 hours, and I want to be able to remote view, and I just want this on motion detection. So I'm going to go to Add to Schedule. Now for every schedule, I have to have a non-schedule. So we have to have 1400 hours to 1300 hours on Sunday and Saturday. Record. I don't want to record because I'm already here. So Add to Schedule. Press OK. And now we'll go to Schedule Start. So during the weekends, I have it record between 1 and 2 o'clock on motion detect because I'm gone out shopping or something. And then on the weekdays, I have it record on motion detect while I'm at work. And I can still remotely view because I checked the remote view tab, which is right there. So it's on all the cameras and we are good. That is how you edit a schedule or set up a schedule. I personally don't recommend setting up a schedule. I just would rather just start the monitoring on motion detection all the time, because you never know. Even though you're at home, you still may need to have some documentation if something happens, or even when the business has open hours, something may happen that needs to be recorded. So a schedule, in my eyes, is kind of pointless, but if you need it, that's okay. So let's go ahead and stop all monitoring. I go Schedule Edit, and I'm just going to delete these, this is how you delete the schedule also, I forgot to mention, is you select one and just press delete. Now the schedule is gone. Press OK and start all monitoring again if you don't want to schedule. I hope this tutorial helps you out, and please visit us at www.palmvid.com.